Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my dear students of Nayabazar University College, especially HSC second year students and the examinee of 2020. As usual, you are welcome to my online class. Dear learners, all the time remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah is our Rabb. Without the mercy of Allah, we cannot live a single moment. Dear students, I want to start my class with a question. Do you have any dreams? I know you all will promptly answer me. Yes, of course we have dreams. Yes, we should have dreams. We must have dreams. Without dreams, life is dull, life is meaningless. Dreams play important roles in our life. Dreams, hopes, visions, aim are our strength. They are our driving force. An American poet, Langston, says in his poem Dream, hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. So, my dear students, we don't like to make our life, make ourselves a broken winged bird, make ourselves a barren field frozen with snow. We should hold fast to dream. Dream will lead us to our future life. My dear students, now dream to make the dreams of your parents true. Dream to be a good student. Dream to be skilled in English grammar. Well, dear students, let's remember what we are learning. We are learning to change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Try to remember the rules we have already learned. In brief, we want to keep focus on the previous rules. In rule number 1, we see only or alone, and this only or alone we change into negative sentence by using none but if it indicates person, nothing but if it indicates thing. When we see age or number, we use not less or not more than. Rule number 2, we learn must, have to, has to, then V1 plus V1. In negative sentence, cannot but V1 or cannot help your eyes. Next, here, when you see had to in affirmative sentence, we change it into by using could not but V1 or could not help your eyes. Next, rule number 3, we see in affirmative sentence everybody, everyone, every plus noun. We change it by using there is no one or there was no one but then later part of the sentence in negative sentence. And if we have in affirmative sentence, when we see everyone, everybody, every plus noun, we have has or had as main verb. We change it into negative sentence by using there is no one, nobody, none, or there was nobody, no one, none, or no plus noun. Then without plus evening part of the sentence. Next, I am only telling you the structure here. Next, we see as soon as, rule number 4, as soon as we change it by using no sooner had plus V3, then we use than there, then other part of the sentence. Or scarcely had plus subject plus V3, we use here when, or hardly had when, and we change also we change it also by using no sooner had subject plus V3 plus then remaining part of the sentence. My dear students, let's learn other rules. Look at the board here. Rule number 5. Rule number 5. See, you will see a structure both and. In negative sentence, rule of 5, not only but also. This not n, you may use it as a small letter when you use it in the middle of the sentence, but when we will use not at first, then we will use capital letter. See example here. Example. Both Sami and Sami did the work. See, both Sami and Samia. We have both. We have to use not only. Example, not only Samiha. See here, not only Samia, but also Samin did the work. See, both Samin, both in place of both we have to write not only, and in place of and we have to use write but also. But sometimes these both may be omitted. Then you have to write not only and but also in negative sentence. Another example, he is both a poet and a dramatist. In negative sentence you will write he is not only a poet but also dramatist. Okay, I think this rule is clear to you. Next, rule number 6. Here, rule number 6. 6 starts the C as subject plus verb plus 2 plus adjective plus 2 plus V1. See here, V1. Example, see here, he is to tired to move. He is too tired to move or walk. Here the structure you see: subject plus verb plus in place of to we have to use so plus adjective or adverb plus that plus subject, same subject, then can or could, then not, then given. Later part of the sentence or remaining part of the sentence. See here. This example, change it into negative sentence by using this structure. See, he is so tired that he cannot walk or move. Sorry, we have written here move, so we have written here move or walk. You can write here walk. That doesn't matter. We have to know this to so that cannot move. So that cannot. I think it is clear to you. But when we will get another subject, different subject, here the subject is same, and he, same subject. But sometimes we see for plus subject in affirmative sentence, then we have to write the second subject of the object here. I am writing one sentence here. See, the pen is too costly for me to buy. See here for me, another object here. We have to write in this way: the pen is so costly that for me. Then here I write I cannot buy it. Here you have to write object of the past subject. It may be it if it is a thing. If the person is he, we have to write him. If the person is here, first subject is she, we have to write her. If the first subject is they, we have to write them. I think this rule is clear to you, my dear students. See, rule number 7. Rule number 7. See, rule number 7. Rule number 7. Degree. If you have clear idea on degree, then it will not be problem to change the affirmative sentence here. When you see comparative degree here, comparative or superlative degree, degree, we have to make it positive degree. See example here. Example: he is taller than any other boy in the class. Example, here change it into positive degree, then you will get the negative sentence here. No other boy, here is boy, no other boy in the class is so or as tall as he. See here, if it is superlative, the same sentence, he is the tallest boy in the class. You will change it in the same way by using no other boy in the class is as tall as he. My dear students, see another example. He is less active than his brother. Then you have to change it negative by using he is not as active as his brother. If you practice this rule, if you practice degree, I think this will be very clear to you. My dear students, I don't like to give you more rules today. Remember one thing, before going to leave the class, I will say one thing. Make a plan and work according to your plan. Allah will materialize your dreams. All the time, Allah is with us. And my dear students, follow the rules of health to prevent COVID-19. Khuda Hafiz, thank you.